Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. Let's get on with the adventure. Okay, an exciting day now. Last night was 23 degrees. Yes, freezing in the forest. But I had parked here to be near RV country, which is in Belmont, Arizona, because they're putting my awning on today. Yes, after a month and a half, the parts came in, and they told me it'd be a few hours to get the job done. So I'm heading to RV country, getting that awning on, and then we're leaving the freezing part of northern Arizona and heading down to basically BLM land, Agua Fria National Monument. It's by Cordes Lakes, or Cordes Lake, Arizona, also known as Cordes Junction. So let's get that awning on so we can hit the road. Well, made it to a rest stop because I left my chew back at the RV country, the shop. So pulled over here, let Ninja get some fresh air, and there is smoke all around. We're heading to Cordes Junction, Cordes Lakes, about another 35 miles to go. I'll show you Ninja here. She'll be happy to say hi to you. I'm gonna stretch my legs, use the restroom, and get back on the road. Can you say hi to the people? Now, Ninja? What is that? Can't even see you in there, except for those little eyeballs. Well, we'll be on the road and we'll be there soon. Topping off gas, topping off propane before we head up to the BLM land, just about 10 miles away. Oh, got some chew. Okay, we made it to our stop for probably the next 10 to 14 days, the Agua Fria National Monument, BLM land. And it is a pretty valley right off the I-17 near Cordes Lake, and there's no lake there. So we made it about a mile down the road off the signage there. Got a decent breeze. It was about 69 degrees, but tomorrow's supposed to be 74. But with this breeze that's always out here in this valley, it's gonna be beautiful. Let me show you around, and I got camp all set up too. Ta-da! Thanks to RV Country in Belmont, Arizona, they put on the new awning, and it looks brand new. I'll give you a little 360 here, but got the bug unloaded, chairs out, hood of the bug up with the lights under it. Keep those rodents away. Same with the RV. There's the I-17 off in the distance. Should have a pretty good view of the sunset tonight. Got one of my cones out, and nothing but just open rolling hills. Open, open, open. Beautiful. And yes, Ninja's already out, and I'm gonna go inside and relax. I did have to point out the trash. Now it's windy, so a lot of this trash probably blew from other places, but that's just a bunch of people being pigs. There's no reason for a can or water bottle to be thrown out. It's sad. All right, the awning is working, the speakers are working, and the lights are working. It's gonna be a great day, chilling, doing nothing. So I hope you enjoyed this little journey. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please smash that thumbs up button. It's free. If you're not already a subscriber, we'd love to have you subscribe, be part of the community, and get alerts anytime I post a new video. From Ninja and I, we bid you adieu. Be positive, be nice, be active.